Okay, so git rebase force Git to use rebase when running the sync command. Now, it's not very useful to rebase every time you sync unless you're working on solely private projects, right? So when you have a branch and you do a rebase command, what's going to happen is that all the code that was committed after you forked your master will be merged into the beginning of your branch, and then all commits will be rewritten to the point where you are right now in your branch. So it's a way to incorporate changes that were made after the forking of your branch into your branch, right? So it does the same job as the merge command, but it rewrites history. And that's a good thing if you're working on a branch that only you know about. So you're free to rewrite history as much as you want so that you have a more linear and easier to understand Git history. But if that branch is public and someone else is working on that branch as well, it's a really bad idea to rebase. So you should rebase with care and follow the golden rule, which is never rebase if the branch is public. So I'm going to leave this option, and it's the false state, which is false.